to become a scientist who draws
What are you doing?
robots and spaceships to explore the planet.
Yeah?
You want to design robots and
You
spaceships.
smile?
Wonderful.
I like your hair.
I know the perfect scientist.
Pretty
to tell you
hair.
all about it. Really?
Pretty hair.
Oh, here you go. There it goes.
Ooh.
Hello, everyone. I'm Julie Townsend. I'm
Playing
a
with the
scientist
Wii?
at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Wow. Oh, hello. It's great to see
Changing
you.
channels.
This is May, and she has some questions for you. Hello. Hi, May. Ask me anything you like. So what kind of scientist are you? I'm a robotics engineer. I build robots to go to other planets. Wow. I want to design robots that go into space too. I want to be just like you because you're you became a scientist.
You like being on camera.
That's right. But you know, when I was a little girl, not everybody knew that girls could be scientists either. I saw
Ayla, where's the
a
dog?
rocket ship launched on TV, and I thought it was so cool that
Where's the
I wanted
dog?
to go up into space and be an astronaut myself. But
Where's the
nobody
dog?
really encouraged me too much because
Where's
I was
the
little.
dog?
But I always knew that I could do
There's
it.
the
And I worked really
dog.
hard, and now I build robots.
Hi, doggy. Here comes the dog. Where's the dog? Dog. Doggy,
This is the
doggy.
athlete robot, and we've designed it for driving around on the
Doggy,
moon or on
doggy.
Mars, and its legs make it even cooler because it can walk and it can drill and it can